So we are here talking to Jeff, and Jeff came to see us about 6 months ago, and he's going to tell us a little bit of his chiropractic story. Jeff, go ahead.
All right. Well, in a nutshell, um, I've always had no back problems that I could remember until the last few years. I've been lifting a lot of heavy equipment with my job, and it started to get to me. And I would come home back sore, lower back mainly, neck a little bit sore, that sort of thing. Happens to everybody, I'm sure, after a while. Well, there was a point at which I was installing a heavy piece of gear in a shelf. I knew I was in a bad position, but it was the only way to get in there. I didn't have a choice, or I wasn't going to get it done. Something happened in my back. I felt a very sharp pain, and I couldn't stand up, and I ended up practically crawling out of there, and it took a couple of days to come back to more or less normal. Week or two later, I felt the same pain brushing my teeth, which is just completely bizarre. So at that point, I finally got in here, which I knew I'd needed to do for a while. Dr. Eric and Dr. Lenny are amazing. Dr. Eric does a great job of putting you at ease, explaining the whole process of chiropractic. If you have any fears or doubts or concerns, they just really take care of it. We did the x-rays, showed me where I had started to lose some of the curvature in my back and in my neck, which was I was a little surprised about since I'm not quite 40 yet. And I started coming once a week. I really wanted to come much more often. My personal schedule didn't allow me to, but just coming here once a week, I'm 15 years younger every time I walk out of here. Um, I don't know how I would get through the month if I couldn't come in here every week. So yeah, I've been coming for 6 months, and so far it's fantastic. I haven't had any major problems with my back. I haven't had any of that sore. I get sore and stiff a little bit, but nothing like I was on a regular basis before I started coming here. And it's great. Now I have confidence that I can do what I have to do my job, go skiing, things like that, and I'm not going to suddenly collapse in a twisted heap of pain anymore. So I highly recommend chiropractic, and especially these guys right here. They're fantastic.
Congratulations, Jeff. All accomplished with no drugs, no surgery, and
Nothing like that at all.
yeah, congratulations again. Thank
Thank
you
you
very
very
much for
much.
talking. Appreciate it.
My pleasure.